Adam, is that yours?
No.
Whose is it?
Well, it's ours, honey. It's yours and mine and Ryan's.
You have to have one. Come on, Jim. Is it like flashlight? Don't!
That's the only way it's gonna light. You watch, it's gonna light. Just takes a little while to get for it to get hot. Just the sit, Zach. Put the bottom. Touch the top to the bottom there.
You mean like this?
Down, 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 down. Hey, these things aren't hard enough, Mark.
These are.
Sometimes it take a little bit, eh, Collin?
Oh yeah, look at that, eh? Dad? Take a little bit.
Oh my God.
Give it a chance.
Don't move it. Keep them in there.
It's not fucking me.
Alex, leave her alone.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Wait, come here, come here, come here, come here.
Cool. You're mine.
Bring it up, bring it up. Hold on to there. Go. Hey, walk around, Andrew. Don't hold up and up high, high. Now run, run.
Andrew, you can
Okay, guys, run around. Let's see it move.
Adam.
Yeah?
Focus. Oh, yeah.
Run. Go, 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 go. Run around, run around. Give it to your mom.
Here, light it.
Light it, Zach. Bring it up.
Light it. Let's run in the forest.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey, Dad, here's my other one. Dad, here's a bad one. Let's go.
You guys are going in the forest? I'm putting the light on, okay?
Don't go over there, okay? I like. Take it off, Gabriel. Crap, I like.
Okay.
No, don't do that.
Oh crap! I like burned my pants.
Oh my God, I thought you saw the bear.
Mine came out. Dang it.
Oh, it's one. Let's see how long my pistol though.
Face first into that wire.
Who, me? I ran into a wire?
No, I ran into
What's up with those two little kids, the girl and the boy? They always get hurt.
He's crying again.
In the grass down there.
I'm gonna stream me a wiener.
Fireworks!
Wow! That was huge! Oh, cool!
You scared me. I thought you were like a cat or something.
Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, here we go. Grand finale.
Whoa! That was nice. That was loud. They're still coming down.
The bear probably sees it. Look what
Yeah, the
that
bear's
shot.
probably clapping. Hey, Dana. Only bright enough. Whoa! Holy crap! Look at that cool.
Watch the wires. Hey, Collin, did you notice the wires up there? Yeah.
I got a cell phone.
Not a big deal. Yeah, exactly.
Oh my God.
Drinking.
That was a crazy one that just happened.
I had a friend of mine trying to
Getting those cultures.
drill a hole in a rock in his backyard, working in his garden to try to break the rock.
Oh, so they're frozen in, eh?
Poured gunpowder in it because gunpowder doesn't explode.
Oh, look out!
Sure as it expands, it'll break the rock for you. You could take a gunpowder and put a little.
Is it loud? Look at this. Mom.
Get a gun.
Look out. Scared you so much. Oh, it's a schoolhouse.
What is that?
No more school. School's out for summer.
How's it going good?
Yeah.
Catch on fire.
Now it burns.
Is this the last one?
The box. What's the box catch?
No, I'll grab it. We'll throw in the fireplace.
Simple.
What is that?